celebrate and witness the union of Gianna Purcell and Amanda Sorrell. In the vows these two have yet to write, they promise to support each other's individual growth and reinforce their journey in life, be it easy, hard, in sickness or in health. They promise to love each other purely and unconditionally till death do them part. Amanda, do you take Gianna to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do. Wait,
And
do you put them
no,
in?
not yet.
Okay.
I'll say it.
Oh, alright.
I'll say it.
I want my ring now.
Gianna, do you take Amanda to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
So can we have the ring? So these rings are they symbolize your guys' life and forever journey together.
Can you kiss them?
No, just throw them on each other's hand. And by the power invested in me in the state of Illinois and the Universal Life Church Online Ministries, I now pronounce you wifeys. Can we kiss the bride?
There we go. It's easy as that.
Ta-da!